Hey there everyone, and welcome back to a brand new GameMaker 2 tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at destroyable walls, which is a thing that actually someone personally requested that I do, and it's actually not too hard of a tutorial today, so I'm just going to be showing you guys this actually pretty quickly. But I think this is useful if you're trying to do a game where you're trying to have like a lot of explosions and stuff like that, and you want to be able to get to new areas of the map by using destroyable walls instead of just normal walls. So today I've just started off with setting up a player sprite, which is just a 32 by 32 white sprite. We have a wall, kind of tile, oh no, what's it called? A strip, and we basically have it progressively breaking, and then we have a blank one at the end, which is when we're going to destroy the wall when it gets to that. And we also have a bullet set up, because I'm just going to be shooting a bullet as an example for being able to destroy the wall. So the first thing we want to do is actually create our first object, which is going to be the wall. So I'm just going to come over here and do obj_wall, and we'll go straight into the create event. And we're actually going to put it as image_speed equals 0, so it doesn't accidentally just change without us doing that ourselves. And then the image index is going to equal 0 as well. Then we're going to go into the step event, and we're going to set it to if image_index is equal to 5, then the instance is going to be destroyed. Now the reason that we are setting this to 5 is that when you go back into the sprite, we have, this is actually 0, so you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when it reaches number 5, it's going to destroy, because obviously it says that there's 6 frames, but this actually counts as 0 as well. And that is everything that we need for the wall, and we're actually going to set it to the wall sprite. And we'll go ahead and just quickly create a player that we can basically use to shoot at the wall. So we'll just call it obj_player. In the step event, we will do if keyboard_check board, and then we'll do the first one as s, and then this is going to be y plus equals 4. And then what we'll do is we'll just copy and paste this. You guys don't need to do this obviously yourselves, but I'm just going to be setting this up so I can show you that the walls do work. So we'll just do swda, this will be +4, and then this will be y -4, and then this will be x -4. So now we can walk. We're just going to go into the global left pressed here, so I can show you guys that we're going to be shooting. So we're going to do instance_create_depth. We have x, y, 0 for the depth, and obj_bullet, which we haven't created yet, but we're actually going to go ahead and create that right now. We're also going to assign the player sprite to that one. So we're going to go and create a new object and call this obj_bullet. Assign the bullet sprite to that one, and then in the create event we'll do move towards point mouse x. So it's going to move towards where our mouse is when we actually create the bullet, and we're going to set it to a speed of 10. And then if we go into the collision and set it to the wall, other.image_index +=1, and then instance_destroy. So now if it collides with the wall, it's basically going to up the image index 1 of the wall. So then if we keep shooting it, it's obviously going to get to 5 to then which we can destroy it. So I just have a 1280 by 720 room. I'm just going to go ahead and put a couple of walls in the room. That should do, and then we'll get the player in the room. Let us start up the game, and I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Alright, and now we're actually in the game window. So as you can see, we have our player that can shoot some bullets, and when we go up to the walls and shoot them, you can see that it's actually changing the index as we shoot it, and it's making the bullet disappear, which is really great. Now this is a super easy tutorial to do, and I'm sure there's many better ways that you could do this, but just for you guys that want to get easy stuff done and quick into your game, this is probably the best way that you could do destroyable walls. I mean, there's other ways you could do it where you could have the wall to have its own HP and different stuff affects it with different damage values, but I guess that's if you wanted to go a little bit more in depth with your own game. But anyway guys, that is going to be the tutorial for today. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I also want to say sorry for my break. I'm going to be trying to upload a little bit more consistently, and we also have a brand new Discord, so if you want to go ahead and join the Discord with the link in the description, go ahead and do that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.